Hey everybody, in this video we are going to be talking about this new method to sideload apps on your iPhone without any revokes and without using your PC. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to use a third-party app store. Download a trusted third-party app store like Tutu App Valley or Ignition directly on your iPhone using Safari. The second step is to install the App Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the third-party App Store. You may need to allow installation from untrusted sources in your settings. The third step is to search for the app. Open the third-party App Store and search for the app you want to sideload. The second last step is to download the application. Tap on the app and select the option to install it. The app will begin downloading directly to your device. Test the app. This is the last step. After installation, go to settings, general, VPN and device management, or profiles and device management, and trust the app's developer certificate to run the app without